In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start an Amazon Prime subscription. The process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few simple steps. Whether you're new to Amazon or have been using it regularly, starting a Prime membership will give you access to a vast array of benefits, from free 2-day shipping to an extensive collection of movies, TV shows, and more. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to navigate to Amazon.com Prime and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one by providing some basic information. But if you're already set up, just enter your login details and proceed. Once you're logged in, you'll see an option that says either Start your 30-day free trial or Join Prime. This might vary depending on your previous use of Amazon Prime, but don't worry. Click on this option to explore Prime membership. If a free trial is available, it's a fantastic way to experience all that Prime has to offer without committing right away. However, if a free trial isn't available for you because you've already enjoyed one in the past, or for any other reason, you will be prompted to choose a Prime plan instead. Here you can decide between a monthly or an annual subscription. Each plan has its pros and cons. The monthly plan is flexible and might be better if you just want to try it for a short period, or if you prefer budgeting on a monthly basis. In contrast, the annual plan often proves to be more economical if you anticipate using Prime throughout the year, as it usually costs less in the long run compared to going month by month. Next, you'll be guided to confirm your payment method. Amazon requires a payment method to ensure the transition to a paid plan, once your trial, if applicable, ends. If you've shopped with Amazon before, you might already have a card on file. In that case, simply confirm that you'd like to use it for your Prime subscription. If not, or if you'd prefer to use a different method, you'll have the chance to add a new credit or debit card. And there you have it. Once your payment method is verified, you're ready to start enjoying everything Amazon Prime has to offer. From speedy deliveries on millions of items to exclusive access to popular series, movies, music, and more, Prime certainly enhances the way you shop and entertain yourself. Remember, should you decide not to continue with Prime past the trial, or at any point, you can easily cancel under your account settings to avoid future charges. Enjoy exploring the benefits of your new Prime membership, and feel free to comment below with any questions you might have. Happy shopping,